Hello YouTube, I hope you're doing infallible today. Today we're going to check out Theta Network. Theta has pumped 13% today. Is this the revival of Theta Network, or is this just simply another short-term euphoric impulse followed by another rejection at resistance? Well, let's take a look at the video. Let's do some analysis. Let's look at Theta over the next 5 years, where we could effectively go. Trading at $1.38 at the moment, 13% up on the daily time frame. By the way, apologies, I got hay fever, so my voice is a little bit itchy and dry today. $1.4 billion market cap, so we can still certainly see a 5 to 10x for this project from current price levels. We also had some interesting news across the Twitter. Coin98 super app, formerly Coin98 wallet. Coin98 broadens its universe by integrating Theta Network, the leading next-generation blockchain purpose-built video, media, and entertainment industry. This integration lets our users control their own data, so decentralized data, and share the benefits of new technology. Bullish news for Theta Network today. Really, really nice. So clearly we are in a huge downtrend. I mean, looking at the previous price, we dropped from $15.09 all the way down to this particular level. So you're looking at a 93% overall correction. That is a massive downtrend, a classic altcoin correction. So the altcoin crypto market and the bull market in general, when we were truly overextended and exhausted, the bull market did actually end well over a year ago. There's no way in saying it didn't. This was it. This top here, April, was the end of the altcoin bull market for most projects. Now, what I want to show you is the importance of the RSI. We can see this blue vertical line indicates when we're oversold on the relative strength index position. You can see each time we're oversold. We had it back over here July 2021, we had it over here December 2021, we had it over here January 2022, and we had it over here May 2022, thanks to Terra Luna for fucking up the whole of crypto. Anyhow, what else can we say about this? Well, following each oversold position, we usually see a nice pump to the upside. As you see, impulse, we get an impulse here, and we have not yet had our impulse, so we're waiting for the impulse, guys. I do think there's a good chance we will break out of this consolidation range. We're back above that 20-day moving average, and what I'm expecting is a breakout to the upside of this resistance at $1.40, and at least testing this diagonal resistance. So for me, the price target is around $1, probably around $1.98, $2 should we see bullish momentum and continuation to the upside. So that's what I've got my eyes on. If we look at the 4-hourly time frame as well, you can see we're clearly in this basically ascending triangle. We've got the increased higher lows on the support trend line, and as for the horizontals, we've got the resistance along $1.39. We did actually get a breakout to the upside. As you see, we broke through this $1.39 resistance, but we did get a fake out, so we retested it as support, but we lost the support, and again we're back down to 137. We did crawl back down to 132, but there was quite a lot of buying pressure. So really, let's just wait and see what can effectively happen here on this particular swing low to swing high. We did retest that 0.382 Fibonacci retracement zone and basically get a bounce from that level. So we might still see continuation here to the upside for Theta. It does look pretty bullish actually on this particular hourly time frame. The RSI is not overheated, and you can see we're just putting through constant higher lows, and we're putting through higher highs as well, but we're just getting a bit of rollover at the moment. So maybe it won't actually effectively play out the way we want to, because it could turn into a rising wedge position, which we're starting to form actually on this particular 30-minute time frame. Rising wedge, typically bearish, but it doesn't mean we can't just fall out and then see continuation to the upside. So I still very much expect Theta Network to break out over the next few days or weeks. So for me, I'm just looking at the price targets over here of around 15+%. So we can see it swing high over here. $1.51 is also a good target to look at, but the actual technical target is going to be taking the depth of this symmetrical or the ascending triangle, and we see an 18% technical target, which takes us to about $1.70. We would expect to break out before the two lines converge, giving us a price target of $1.74. So what could effectively happen for Theta Network over the next, I don't know, 3 years? Well, what I like to look at is the BLX chart, which I'm probably boring everyone to death with at the moment. However, this is the weekly time frame for the BLX, and the green lines, the green vertical lines, indicate where Bitcoin and cryptocurrency has been oversold on the RSI, basically the bottom of bear markets really, and you can only see this effectively on the monthly time frame. So there we go. This is what shows us and where we are now, reminding me of January 2019. And you see if you wait 820 days and also wait about 850 days here, that's how long you've got to accumulate before we get back to the potential top of the next bull market. And if we assume the same happens again, that 850 days, you're looking at October 2024 for the next potential bull market top. So it does make me feel quite excited to think, we are now back at those sort of fair value zones where we can start thinking about accumulating more crypto at a much more fair value, which is really nice. That's kind of what you want to do, isn't it? You don't want to be buying the euphoric, overextended greed phase of crypto. So that's what I'm waiting for, guys, at the moment, is this breakout on this ascending triangle, because it is a continuation pattern. It's a bullish pattern as well. My trading views froze on me again, and I do expect to see the higher price levels play out over in the near future. So let's have a little look one more time. We're going to go back to Theta, and we're going to have a look at the price targets for 2025. And the way we're going to do this is basically use our daily time frame, and we're going to pull up our fib extension from this swing high, or the all-time high that we set, bring this down over here, and this will show us some very realistic price targets. So we're looking at between $20 and $25 for 2025, guys. And it is realistic if it's a project that's going to stay around. So this particular entry could offer anywhere between 1,100 and also 1,500%. You might think it sounds too good to be true, but think of all the other layer one infrastructure projects and cryptos that if you bought, nice and early on, well, really, you'd have made 10,000% or even more, depending on how early you got in. So realistically, we're looking at about 1,250% increase from current bear market price levels. If you have the patience to hold and persevere through the boring times, you will generate wealth in the future. So if you want to grab some Theta today, use the link down in my description below. Click on through, check out the exchange and grab some. Build that long-term investment portfolio. Also, make sure you head into the crypto Discord, guys. Come say hello. Got about 270 people in here at the moment, and do a little favor and subscribe, like, comment. Let the algorithm know that I'm alive, because I'm very much going to stay here through the entire bear market and help you guys surf through those volatile, tumultuous waves of cryptocurrency. Crypto bubbles today, well, it's just standard stuff. You see Bitcoin 30.3k, Ethereum 1.8k. ETH is down 7% on the weekly market cap. We've got Bitcoin down 4.1% on the weekly market cap. And I really, really hope to see Bitcoin at least climb back to 40k so I can move some of my altcoins and actually take some profits once again. Because I do want to go heavier on my blue chips such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano. I think these are really going to be survivors for the next particular bull market. Fear and greed index today, guys, we're sitting at 17, so do scoop up the fear, just like the smart money in the whales. It does help you and it works in your favor. Do not buy the greed, buy the fear. Long-term hodl, guys, that's how you win with crypto. We're here to make money in the bear markets, to generate wealth, and the bull markets, well, if you like playing risky games and you want to gamble at getting rich, then go ahead. But if you want to guarantee wealth and success, bear markets is when you look to invest. Goodbye. Take care. Much love and stay crypto safe.